Now, with success in Operation Sindoor for the armed forces, it also displayed the synergy between the armed forces and also BSF, who gave a befitting reply to Pakistan together. The preemptive strikes were carried out by the BSF in an area opposite the Samba sector of Jammu. 20 casualties to Pakistan's side were recorded in strikes by the BSF at over 7 posts of Pakistan. Here's a ground report by my colleague Gursimran Singh from Samba.
Operation Sindoor has shown that how all the forces, they have worked in sync with each other, be it the Indian Army, Air Force, Navy, and the important role that has been played by the Border Security Force on the international border frontiers, because these frontiers were one of the toughest to tackle, but the BSF has shown that how the adversary is given a befitting reply. Right now we are at a forward post of the Border Security Force on the Jammu international border, where the BSF troops that have taken part in the Operation Sindoor, they are carrying out a mock drill to show what actually transpired that night and how quick was the response of the Border Security Force, because it was the Pakistan a couple of meters away from this location and they had bombarded the Pakistani positions like anything. We are in the Samba sector of the Jammu international border, and this is the same sector that has brought down over half a dozen Pakistani posts and also neutralized over 20 casualties to the Pakistani side, because this was the area where Pakistan, they were planning to carry out a major strike, but they carried out a preemptive strike, and the preemptive strikes were so accurate that Pakistan was left with no chance rather to surrender before the Indian side, because on the international border, the way Pakistan was given a befitting reply, it was not that Pakistan was actually imagining, because they were actually building up to the strikes, but India carried out the preemptive strikes. It was the BSF troops on ground that carried out the strikes, and we'll speak to these troops on ground as well what they have to say. साहब, उस दिन क्या हुआ था, किस तरह से आपने जो है इस ऑपरेशन को अंजाम दिया?
हमारे जो सेक्शन कमांडर से जो दिए हुए टास्क मिले थे, पाक पोस्ट और इस लगे लोकेशन का हम बताएंगे नहीं, तो हमने दुश्मन को बरकरार जवाब दिया। उनके दांत ही नहीं तोड़े, बाद में आके उनके दांत खट्टे भी किए हमने। उनको इतना मजबूर किया हमने कि वो पाक पोस्ट करके छोड़ के भागे। हम उनको ऐसा ही जवाब देंगे, जब भी हमारी भारत माता की तरफ आँख उठा के देखेंगे तो उनको जवाब देंगे।
So very clear message that is coming from the troops on ground that if they dare to see towards the Indian side, they will be given a befitting reply, and that is what they have done on that very day. We'll try to speak to some more troops. साहब, मुझे ये बताइए, जब फायरिंग वहाँ से टारगेट करना शुरू किया, आप लोगों ने जो है बिल्कुल एक्यूरेट स्ट्राइक्स किए, किस तरह से रहा वो?
हम लोग जैसे हम लोग सेक्शन कमांडर का आदेश दिया हमारे को, सेक्शन कमांडर का आदेश के मुताबिक हमने काम किया। जो डाटा दिया गया है उसके ऊपर हमने अप्लाई किया, अप्लाई करके फायर किया। करने के बाद उस जगह को हमने उसी टाइम छोड़ा जिस टाइम हमारा बमबारी उसी टाइम चल रहा था उनके तरफ से भी। फिर भी हमने वहाँ से दूसरा जगह जाके फिर उसी जगह पे हमने टारगेट को बर्बाद किया। तो अब उनका जो बमबारी हो रहा था वो बंद हो गया, हमारे से डर के मारे वो उस जगह को छोड़ दिया।
So this is what the Pakistanis are actually up to. The Pakistanis have left their posts. That is what these brave hearts have seen. There are visuals that show that how Pakistanis were seen running from their post, and the collateral damage was zero, because Indian side suffered no casualties and the Pakistanis were completely decimated. Security force on the international border were actually the nightmare for the Pakistan side, as they have not only destroyed the Pakistani bunker but also the morale of the Pakistani side. There have been massive casualties to the Pakistan that have been reported all along the international border, and right now we are reporting from the Samba sector, the sector that has inflicted maximum casualties to the Pakistani side, and also the Pakistani infrastructure that was razed to rubble. In this sector, the BSF troops used the maximum heavy artillery into also the rocket launchers to target the positions of the Pakistan. And the positions, they were decimated like anything. This is a CGRL. This has the capacity to go down and decimate the enemy's infrastructure as well as the enemy bunkers and the locations deep inside the Pakistani territory. This time they have used it somewhere close to a kilometer's distance to decimate the Pakistani area that is on the opposite side. side. That includes the Pakistani post of the Mumtaz, of Tipu, and also the nearby posts that have been decimated completely, including Shaukat and Dhandar. These posts were the Pakistani notorious posts that were pre-identified by the border security force, and as these posts were about to launch offensives, there was strikes. These are the preemptive strikes that the BSF has carried out on the international border using the CGR rocket launchers, and they have decimated the Pakistan completely.